Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum on sectional orthographic with missing view. So here we have been given the front view, top view. We have to find the sectional elevation along AA, sectional plan and right hand side view. So first we'll calculate the total width required to draw the front view. That will be the radius of the semicircle, that is 12 plus 44 plus 55 plus the radius of the outer semicircle, that will be 12. So total will be 123 millimeters. Now the total height required to draw the front view will be 66 millimeter and the total depth will be 60 millimeters. That will be the diameter of the outer circle. So now as we have calculated the height, now we'll draw the axis xy, x dash, y dash, and 5 millimeters apart we'll draw the another baselines. Here we'll draw the views. Now as we want to draw the right hand side view, here will be the right hand side view, here will be the front view, and here will be the top view. Now we'll start with the front view. As you know, the total width is 123 millimeter. We have already calculated that. So I'll mark a point 123 millimeter. Now I'll start marking the point. This is 12 millimeter. Then after that, we'll mark a point 44 millimeter apart from this point. This is 44 millimeter. Then from 44 millimeter, 55 millimeter. And after 55, the remaining part will be again 12 millimeter. So total distance comes to 123 millimeter. Now we'll extend these lines upward. We'll extend this downward also, as later on we'll need them as projection lines for the top view. Now moving forward, the total height required to draw the view is 60 millimeter. We'll draw a parallel line through it. You can extend this towards the right hand side view also, as later on you will require. I'll mark the center point, that will be at 30 millimeters. Through the center point, we'll draw two circles, one with diameter as 60. So this is the circle with diameter 60, and another one with diameter 44. So radius as 22. I'll draw the circle. After drawing these circles, now I'll draw the center line. Next, we'll draw this slant line of width 10 millimeter. So from the center, 5 millimeter above, 5 millimeter below, we'll mark the point. So this is the slant line. From the front view, looks like a straight line. From the top view, you can see it is slant, and the thickness of it is 15 millimeter. So I marked a point 15 millimeter. I'll draw a line parallel through it, extending towards the top view. This is the slant line. From the front view, looks straight with thickness as 10 and length as 15. Next we'll draw the circle with diameter as 16, so radius as 8, and then the semicircle with radius as 12 millimeter. After drawing this, we'll join this as a tangent to this outer circle. So you have to align and draw the tangent intersecting this outer circle from this both sides. Now drawing this part, I'll mark a point 5 millimeter above, then 10 millimeters, below 5 millimeters, and then 10 millimeters. So this is the thickness of the semicircle. I will draw parallel lines through it. Touching towards the circle. I'll extend these lines to the right hand side view. there is a hidden circle with diameter as 16. So from the center, 8 millimeters on the right and 8 millimeters on the left. We'll draw parallel lines through it. Now as this is sectioned, so this part, the inner circle which is hidden right now, it will be visible in the front view. As after the cut, it will be open, it will be not be hidden lines. First I'll draw this part dark. Now this part, in the question you can see it is dotted hidden, but after the section this part will be visible, so I'll draw it dark. Now draw the center line wherever you have the circle or on its projection, that is big gap, small line, gap, big line. As you can see in the question, this part is extended inwards, so I'll draw it dark. Here also it is extended till the inner circle, so I'll draw it dark. I'll just make the circle dark. First for the section we draw it lightly and then we draw it dark. Now this slant part will not be visible after the section part, so I am drawing it dotted. So one slant part will be get removed and this is the back side of the slant part, so it is hidden, so we have drawn it dotted. Now this is the inner cut, its dimension given from the center, it is 20 millimeter. So we have marked a point 20 millimeter from the center. I'll draw this part dark, as this will be visible right now. In the question it is given dotted, but after the section this part will be visible, so I am drawing it dark. So after the section, this all part is visible. Draw this dark too. Now we are done with the front view. We'll take the projections downward to the top view. We have to draw the section lines in the front view. I'll do it. Now the height is 66 millimeter. In the top view it is given, so I marked a point. I'll draw the parallel line through it. I'll extend these lines. Now from top, this height is 18. Then you have a height of 30 given. I'll mark a point at 15 millimeters. So this will be the center point of the entire top view. I'll draw a parallel line through it. Now in the question there is an error. The outer semicircle radius given is 12 millimeter, but the thickness of its diameter given is 30. So there is an error over there. So you can either take the diameter as 30 and radius as 15, or you can take radius as 12 and diameter as 24. So I am taking radius as 12 because in the front view we have taken the radius as 12 at the start. So this is the semicircle with radius 12. I'll take this projections downward where the tangent touches, the line touches the circle, that is the tangent. Take the projection from that also. This line will extend till the circle where it is touched, so I'll extend it. After the section part you have to draw the sectional top view, so according to that we are drawing. I'll just make this part dark. Now this with the radius which is given, diameter given is 16. We'll draw the circle. Now this part will be hidden, as after the section this part goes behind. Take these parallel lines downward, extend this, make this dark. Till here it will be dark, and after this goes behind, so this is also dotted. This part is after the section part. Wherever projection lines are remaining, take it downward. This is the inner circle. This will also be dark and visible after the sectioned part. So I'll make this part also dark. This is the outer circle, which is already dark. So this outer circle and the inner circle both will be visible after the sectioned part. Drawing the circle center line, extending this downward. Joining this dark also. This is the outer circle, which looks like a rectangle shape. Drawing this part from the center, 8 mm above, 8 mm below. So the height is 16. Then from those points, 10 mm above, and from here 10 mm below will be the thickness of this part. Now extending this and the 45-degree angle line, as we have to take for the right hand side view. So I am already extending them towards the 45-degree angle line as we are progressing with the sum. Now this is the slant line, so I am drawing it. This slant line in the front view we have drawn, that is hidden. Joining this part dark. After the section, this part will be visible and dark. So all parts are visible. It's extended toward the slant line. This part will be hidden, as after the sectioned part, this part goes behind. Also this hidden circle, the circle which is hidden earlier, after the section this also will be dark and visible. So we have taken the projections from the front view. Now we are drawing the center line. Now this slant part will also be dark and visible. So I am drawing it dark. I am drawing the section lines for the front view. So the right hand side part, after the section it is totally visible, so that will not be sectioned. The inner circle will be a whole shape, so I am not drawing the section lines there. Here also section lines, the circle at the center is not sectioned. Now in the top view, the circle which is visible, it's not sectioned. This part is sectioned, and the remaining part after the cut doesn't seems to be sectioned, so only this part is sectioned. Drawing the circle center line. And we are done with the front view and the top view. Now taking the projections, all the projections from the top view to the 45-degree angle line, from the 45-degree line upwards towards the right hand side view, and then from the front view to the right hand side view. Now to start with the side view, from this direction we'll see the side view. So first part will be visible, that is this part. So I locate this part. From the front view we'll get the height. So this part is from the top view. Also this part we'll get the projection. We'll mark the point. So as you can see, the height from the front view and the width from the top view. Make this part dark, as this will be the first part which will be visible from the right hand side view. It will be straight. As you can see, this is that part. Just properly see the projection lines and draw it. Now this circle is hidden. You have to draw the normal right hand side view. So this circle is hidden, so I'll draw it dotted in both the slots. Trace the projection line properly and draw it. Take the projection lines from this, the tangent part, towards the right hand side view. Now this tangent line which we have drawn, projection we have taken, it will start from this end and it will end till the top, till here. So this will be dark. So just trace the point. So this part and this part will be dark. This is the tangent line which will be looking like a straight line which catches the outer cylinder. I'll draw this dark. Next we'll draw the slant line. This two slant line in the side view will be straight line. Take the projections. So this is the slant line. I'll draw it dark. This is the height from the front view and width from the top view. Now this is the outer cylinder which will look like a rectangle shape. So you have to draw the borders dark. This will be till the top, so extend it and make it dark. Now this inner circle will be hidden here, so I'll draw it dotted in the right hand side view. Here also this circle is hidden. So I'll draw it dotted. This is the other end of the same inner circle. Draw the center line. this circle is hidden, this semicircle part, it is at the back which is hidden, so I am drawing it dotted. This circle and this outer semicircle both are hidden, so I am drawing them dotted with their projections from the front view and the top view. So first I have drawn the circle. Now I am taking the projections from the semicircle, taking its projections upward to the right hand side view, and also this part will be hidden. So drawing it hidden, that is dotted. Trace its projection from the front view as well as from the top view. Drawing the center line, and we are almost done with all the three views. Just marking the dimension which is given in the question. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section. Also, you can connect with me on Instagram and send your questions.